When making your vacuum-formed appliance, the PPE you should have is glasses, mask, and gloves. The materials you need would be a diagnostic model, the vacuum former, scissors, thermoplastic material, and blockout reservoir material. This here is a picture of the thermoplastic material. So first you'd want to trim the model so that it extended 3 to 4 millimeters past the gingival border, and on a maxillary model you would trim until the palate area is open. And then a spacer material is placed on the facial surfaces of the teeth of the model, about 1 millimeter thick. Then you would clamp a sheet of thermoplastic material in the frame of the vacuum former. Raise the heating element frame until it is just below the heating element, turn on the heating element, and then place one cast in the center of the platform. Heat the material sheet until it sags about a half an inch, and lower the frame to the platform and turn on the vacuum for 30 seconds. The material will be pulled down over the cast. Let the tray material cool for at least a minute, and remove the sheet from the frame. You would trim excess material away from the cast with scissors. You should trim the tray so that it extends over the teeth just to the gingival crest, and place tray onto original model and check gingival extensions. Adjustments can be made by heating the material and reshaping it. A thin coat of petroleum jelly needs to be placed on the facial surface when readapting the appliance. The trays should then be washed with soap and cold water, and sprayed with disinfectant, then placed in a zippered plastic bag marked with the patient's name. For cleanup, you'd follow manufacturer's recommendations when disinfecting the vacuum former, and your work area and supplies used should be properly disinfected as well.